Hello children, standard 3rd subject English lesson number 36 Gadge Maharaj. Dear children, you see so many sant means listens also. Name Sant Naneshwar, Sant Tukaram, Sant Tukroji Maharaj, Sant Muktabai, Sant Janabai, then Sant Eknath. So many sant you see and in your textbook. Okay, but today we are going to learn lesson number 36 Gadge Maharaj. We have learned some information about Gadge Maharaj. Dear children, please open your English textbook page number 81. Gadge Baba was a modern saint. He lived many years ago, but he is still remembered for the great work he did in thousands of places. What did he look like? Silver hair, brown eyes for skin, big, tall and stout body. He wrapped a lungi around the waist and wore a torn but clean shirt. A cloth shoe adorned one foot while the other foot was many times bare. Means adorned means decorated with and bare means without any covering. He always carried a bowl and a stick because of this bowl or Gadge. People started calling him Gadge Baba of Gadge Maharaj. His real name was Dembuji Jingaraji Janorkar. He never stayed long in one place. He slept only on a rug blanket and used only his own arms as a pillow. He roamed from village to village, spreading his message of cleanliness, humility and the importance of education. Humility means kindness or consideration for others. He was not bothered by hunger or thirst. What he liked was a bhajan, kirtans and teaching people. Thousands of people flocked to listen to his kirtan. His kirtans used to be very lively. He would not simply give lectures. He would often put questions to the audience to keep up their interest. Then he would show them how absurd they were in their words and actions. For example, he would ask, "How many gods are there?" 1. You worship Khandoba, Masoba, Viroda and Vittal and so on. You worship many more, don't you? Yes. Your actions show that you believe that there are a number of gods and yet you say a little while ago that you worship one god. Then were you asleep then? Dear children, Gadge Maharaj gave everyday kirtans, but he is not give a simple lectures. Gadge Maharaj always asking to every people how many gods are there, and people give the answers. Many names of God: Khandoba, Masoba, Viroba, and Vittal. So, but Gadge Maharaj saying every time only one God for everyone. The audience will be taken by surprise. Then they will listen more attentively to the Baba. Baba will say, "You often things to God in return for his favor, don't you?" Yes, we do. "And don't you say, 'God, my child is ill, please make him well. I will offer you a goat'?" Yes, we do. People give the answer. For Gadge Maharaj asking some questions, now people give the answer. "And don't you say that if God lets go and two-legged child, you will offer him to return a four-legged animal?" We do. "Why can God who created this will be a cruel? Can he be so greedy? Can he be brave? No. Do you think killing and eating one of the God's creatures will please him? Will he bless you for that?" Then the audience will realize how wrong their thinking was. They will promise to be more thoughtful. After the kirtan, people flocked to touch Gadge Baba's feet. Flock means gathered, come together. But he wouldn't allow anyone to do that. He didn't like people touching his feet. As soon as the kirtan was over, he spread away, leaving the crowds for behind. Develop good qualities. That's all. There's no point in touching my feet, he said. Dear children, Gadge Baba don't like for any people touch our feet. Baba followed one rule to the end of his life. Wherever he went, be to a village, town or small settlements, he asked for sturdy brooms, spades and pans. Then he would sweep and clean the whole area. Soon other people joining him, but he did not wait for the that happen. He started sweeping and cleaning the place himself. And if any bystanders tried to bow to Baba while he was busy in this work, that's a person who get a smack of the broom on the back. You don't do any of this work yourself, and when somebody else tries to do it, you put yourself in the way. Move aside, see how nice and welcoming this village looks when it is clean. Dear children, here Baba always going to another village, near towns also. First, yes, see the village, then afterwards call the people and give the broom and then pans. You bring and clean all area nice, clean nicely all area. Then afterwards any people come to help and join also, and those are people asking for Baba, please give me a broom. Then Baba say, please you also do and I am also do. Do you understand? Good. If you visit a holy place in Maharashtra like Pandharpur or Nashik or Dehu or Alandi, you will see the work Gadge Baba did in these places. He himself worked hard, asked for help and built free boarding places, ghats on their rivers, the water spouts for the poor, helpless, disabled and the needy. He started places that offer food, fire of cost. He built schools, colleges and hostels for children. He saw God in the poor and miserable people. Serving these people was his way of serving God. Do you understand, children? Good. Thank you.